In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the line buffer that we have developed last time or coded last time. One of the applications is convolution for image processing. So remember, for the line buffer we had like this, in which every time we have a pixel from the camera, we put one, second, third, until last pixel. For example, here we have 512 pixels. So every time you put one, then we output the pixel like this. We can output this one, then this one. We can output pixels, for example, like this. First one, then second one, then third one. And as you know, streaming, the pixels are keep coming. Every time we fill, when we finish over the line buffer, we start outputting the data. So if you remember, it was something like this. Line buffer, we need a clock, a reset, coming one by one, and of course we can output one data, we can output two or three. So this is buffer. We define line by line from the image. We need a pointer for writing, pointer for reading, for reading. So when the data comes, of course it needs to be valid. So from camera we put it inside the line, and this is implemented in another process until reaching the end of the line buffer where we can give the flag for reading. So here when it comes to 1, we start incrementing giving to say that we are finished writing and we start reading. When we start reading, here the pointer incrementing until we reach the end. And every time the pointer increments, we have our data out. It doesn't need clock. Whenever we have a pointer change, new a value for the line. If we have 1 byte, is we output just 1. If we need 2 bytes, we remove the comment of this. If we need 3, we know we do this. So this is what I am saying now. We had done the simulation. If you remember, we started by generating the clock, 0 reset, the data was 0, and the valid data was 0. Then for 3 cycles or more, start writing, reset becomes 0, and the data is coming one by one. Of course, we need to put the data valid, otherwise it wouldn't be put in this line buffer. Until we finish from 1, in this case, up to 512. We didn't finish, we just stopped in just to show you. Of course, we have the pointer which becomes 1, and reading becomes 1. It means the line buffer starts reading 1 byte or 2 or 3, it depends on our application. So to explain the convolution, of course, we need, for example, MATLAB to explain it. We need first, of course, to read an image because we are going to apply it on an image. We take this image, we drag it into MATLAB to have address.